Hello, I'm Michael Swarbrick from Harcourts Cooper & Co, and I'm here today at 4 Bar 72 Kitchener Road in Milford. It's a very special location here, this property, only walking distance down to the Milford shops and so close to the beach, only 450 metres away. It's a stunning home in a complex. It's like being on an overseas holiday. You got a view out this way through the courtyard to Lake Pupuki, and from the upstairs balcony in the bedroom you can see out to the water. Nice and private and secure. You've got to come and have a look. The owner has purchased another property, they're moving on and they're ready to sell. So pick up the phone and give me a call for a private viewing, or I certainly look forward to meeting you at this weekend's open homes.